everyone! Sa video na to, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-add ng mixed number with similar fraction.
5 and 2 over 6 plus 2 and 3 over 6. Okay, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung dalawang proper fraction natin na 2 over 6 at 3 over 6 ay pareho ang denominator. So, meaning, similar fractions. Pag similar fractions, ang gagawin natin, i-add lang natin yung whole numbers. Okay? 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, and then the next step, add the numerators. So, ang numerator natin is 2 and 3. So, we have 2 plus 3. And then, copy denominator. Okay, we're going to copy the common denominator, which is 6. Okay, and then simplify. We have now 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then we have 6. Therefore, our final answer is 7 and 5 over 6. So, that is how to add or mixed numbers with similar fraction.
Ngayon, alam mo na kung paano mag-add ng mixed number with similar fractions.
Fractions.